Welcome back to my channel. It's me Praveen, and I know it's been a while, but I'm back. So today's video is gonna be about the world premiere of this amazing film right here, Hobbs and Shaw, featuring Dwayne Johnson and Jason Statham. Pretty amazing film. This is not an ad. I just wanted to take you guys through the complete experience of how the movie premiere was, how the red carpet scenes were, how many stars I got to see. It's a completely amazing experience, and I didn't have to pay a penny for it. So I'm gonna say how to do so at the rear end of this video. Are you guys ready? This is the first look that you guys are looking at. Like we see in the television, not everybody shouting for a premiere and stuff until they see their desired star coming out. Apart from that, it's pretty silent looking at the crowd around, the paparazzis and stuff, the ones who take picture actually. And they hand out t-shirts and all the goodies if you're there. And television channel, they make you shout and do all the crazy stuff just for their promotions. It is just not the film stars. There are celebrities from modeling and sports career as well. They pass the paparazzi place where they take pictures and get to the movie screening place on the way. There is the man of the moment, Jason Statham, who you guys would have probably known from films like Mechanic and Fast and Furious. And one more less known fact is that he has represented England in 1990 at the Commonwealth Games in 3 diving categories. And there he is.
Come on! Throw the shirts on.
At a red light, looking at this big ass poster of Hobbs and Shaw. I mean, just one bald headed, sexy son of a bitch. And then there's me. It's all the fans who are going to line the streets tonight to make this Hobbs and Shaw premiere epic and electric and historic. I thank you so much, and I love you guys, and I thank you. We made the movie for you worldwide. Thank you so much for the love and the support. I'm going to raise a glass of tequila to you tonight, and for those of you who got a ticket to tonight's movie, the hottest ticket in town, literally the hottest ticket in town, all sold out. Enjoy the movie.
And there you go, the man of the moment, Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. He's gonna be here any moment from now.
About him except Hobbs and Shaw, ladies and gentlemen, James Statham and Dwayne Johnson.
And introduce these amazing new characters. Of course, first of all, take the chemistry that me and this guy had, which I think plays very well in the movie. And of course, introduce these new characters. And so the idea with Idris, and I just want to say this because I want to embarrass him a little bit, is that, whoa, Idris, yes! And in Jason's and Idris's and Vanessa's culture, British culture, we showcase that. We also showcase one half of my cultures. I'm half black and half Samoan. And we showcase you might not have heard me. I said, are you ready for Hobbs and Shaw? I love you too, thank you. Okay, so I do smell what the Rock is cooking, so yes. Yes. And Hobbs and Shaw is going to continue tonight, yes.
I'm not a Hollywood movie critic because I don't watch a lot of Hollywood movies, but I totally loved the movie. It was just action-packed with Rock, Jason and Idris on screen. I can't say anything more as movie is yet to release and it is screening worldwide on August 2nd. Don't miss out on watching this power-packed movie. I'll be brutally honest, I didn't pay a penny to attend this premiere except for the $15 parking at the Hollywood Boulevard. This is all IOTA exclusive. If you fall into any of these categories that I've posted above, you probably would have a good chance of viewing a premiere soon. Stay tuned for the IOTA exclusive video. It's gonna show you the process and the easier navigation within the app or the website. See you guys in my next video. If you know anyone who's living in the above mentioned area, do share with them, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and not forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.